Let's look at this question. The graph below shows the pattern of power utilization in India across the decades for the period 1951 to 85. The graph gives the percentage of consumption by various sectors. IDCRAO refer to industrial, domestic, commercial, rural, agriculture, and others. Now, the problem with this stacked bar chart is that we don't have precise values given for individual components, but we'll see if we need those precise values. Let's get to individual questions. In 1980-81, the power utilized by agricultural sector was what percentage of the power utilized by industrial and commercial sectors together? Okay, so we're looking at I and C and A. Okay, and the year mentioned is 80-81. For this year, we have to do our calculations. So agriculture in this year, here it should be 2. Or first thing I have to do is identify how much is 1 bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bars give me 20%. So 1 bar is 4. So this should be 2. This should be 4. This should be 4. This should be 4. This should be 3. So altogether adds up to 17. Agriculture is 17. The denominator should add up to give me around 58 for industrial. The percentage is 58. And for commercial, the third thing, I get roughly 2 here and roughly 3 here. So 58 plus 5, I get 17 by 63. Now when I look at 17 by 63, what I understand is, had this been 17 by 64, had this been 17 by 68, sorry, had this been 17 by 68, the answer would have been 25%. So this answer has to be slightly greater than 25%. Among the available options, the best one to mark would be option B. Okay, going on to the second question. If the total consumption in 1980-81 was 1,20,000 million kilowatt hertz and 1984-85 was 1,70,000 million kilowatt hertz, how much did the consumption by the industrial sector increase during this period? Now, before you start solving this, pay attention to this fact that every option is in billion kilowatt hertz. So when everything is billion, let me change the original data into billion. So you have 120 billion here and 170 billion here. In 120, in 1980-81, it is 58%. So 58 by 100 into 120. This is to be subtracted from 55 into 170 by 100. So I can cancel out the zeros quickly enough. I have 55 into 17 minus 58 into 12, whole thing by 10. Let that 10 be. I can rewrite it as 55 into 17 minus 55 into 12 minus 3 into 12. So I get 55 into 5 at one place, which is 275. 275 minus 36. So I get 239 by 10, which is equal to 23.9. Among the available options, the closest one to 23.9 is option B. So that should be my answer. For question number 6, if the total power consumption in 1970-71 was 60,000 million and 80-84 was 1,70,000 million kilowatt hertz, how many times is the consumption of commercial sector in 84-85 to the consumption of agricultural sector in 1970-71? Okay, commercial sector in 84-85. Commercial is this here. So 3 and 3, I get 6 into 1,70,000. So I'll just write last 4 zeros I'm ignoring. I get 6 into 70. And in denominator, this is the commercial consumption in 84-85 and agricultural consumption in 70-75. So this should be 3. This should be also almost 3ish. No, this should be 3. This should be 2. Okay, so I get 5. Oh, I'm making a terrible mistake. It is not the commercial consumption in 70-71 we are looking at. agricultural consumption. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 2. It is not 5, it is 10% of 6. I've disregarded the 4 zeros here, disregarded the 4 zeros here. Therefore, I come up with this. So 6 and 6 cancelled. I'm left with 1.7. Therefore, answer to question number 6 should be option C, 1.7. Now, the final question. If the power supply to the charitable institution and other social service units uh, at concessional rates constitute 30% of supply to others, okay, and they 1.25 per kilowatt hertz, what was the revenue generated from these units and institutes in 1984-85? Use data from previous questions if necessary. So in 84-85 previous data questions is that the total consumption was 1,70,000. So what I'm looking at is 1,70,000 is the total, and this is in millions. So 10 raised per 6. Why I'm doing this is because the options are given in crore. So I have to take care of that later on. 1,70,000 million. Now others among this is 4%. So 4 by 100. And then I'm looking at 30% of that because that is the supply there. So 30% of that. And they have been charged at the rate of 1.25 or 5 by 4 in total. And because I want my total answer to be in crores, I have to divide this entire thing by 10 raised to the power 7. Okay, so this is the fraction for which we have to calculate the value. First thing I can do is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10 raised power 6 gone, 10 raised power 7 affected, this 0 gone, this 0 gone, this 4 gone, this 4 gone. So finally I'm left with 17 into 15, which is equal to 255. The closest answer to 255 is 250, and therefore the answer to this question will be option C, 250 crore.